Hey guys, so these are all my fidgets. The squishmallow and other stuff. Like this. I lost some, but I'll be come with me to take some to school tomorrow. So the first one is this marble and mesh. Cause look at it. So this blue marble and mesh, it keeps my hands in company and it's really quiet. And I can also do this. It doesn't take that much noise. So one of my friends, they have a line one, and they take it to school, and they always play with it in their hands, and they never get in trouble, so I can take this. And then I thought to take this mini tangle as well, because I'm actually going with the theme. I just realized that, but it's also really nice, barely makes any noise, and it keeps me in company. This mini tangle that I made, mini. And then I thought to take this homemade one, not my idea, and then I put these lumens on it, my idea. And like, look, I can connect these like this. Wait, I'll just connect them. And then I have this like homemade tangle. Well, people say it's a tangle, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's really quiet. It's like as quiet as a tangle. So I have this, by the way, this is my fidget bucket, but I'm just going to be using this as what I'm going to bring. And then maybe this peas in a pod or pea popper. It's me, sorry, my one got rigged, this one, so I'm just using it really bad, but look here, so it's like ripped. Wait, I'll show you. So I brought it to school, and then, yeah. See, it's like ripped, and yeah. It's just like this, and then, yeah. But it still works as good. And then once I put tape onto here, and it worked really good and really sweaty, as you can see. Add it to the collection. Do you think I should bring this? Right, listen. It doesn't make a lot of noise, but I'm scared people want to play with it. And it might get dirty, because I play with a lot of my friends at school, and they all love fidgets and stuff. So I don't think I should bring this. And anyways, it's loud, and I'm scared it's going to pop. Because we usually play on these poles. So yeah, no thank you. But I know people been saying no for poppets, but this is a mini poppet, so it doesn't, and it'll be in my hands, and it won't take a lot of space. But yeah, this one's added too. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things and other things. But do not recommend a puddle ball. Look how loud it is. Wait. I don't want to muck it up, but look. So loud. Do you see how loud this is? Like, definitely, the teacher's going to take it out of your hand. You could take a triple dimple. I know mine is not a real brand, but it's still a real good one. But look. It's still really good, but it makes pretty loud noise. So yeah. I got these 2 dimples that I don't, but I'm gonna take an infinite cube because it's not that loud. If you like snap it, if you just play with it softly. So yeah, and yeah, I might not take. No, actually not the infinity cube. Thank you guys so much for coming with me to pick out what I wanted to take to school. I know it didn't take that much, but thank you guys. Bye.